What the haters talking about?
What's up, family? Trump's suburban deficit has emerged as a significant problem during his re-election bid. He's in trouble. He is begging women in the suburbs to please come home. This dude is pitiful. He said, "Suburban women, please like me." He said this at a rally in Jonestown, Pennsylvania. Please, please. Begging like an old dirty dog. Begging like a dude with low self-esteem. Trying to make a woman come back who want nothing more to do with him. He has no shame. Absolutely none. What a pitiful person. And this, Donald Trump, is your president. What a sorry, sorry sight. Good God. I'm like, this dude is so desperate. Every single day he's saying something wild, doing something crazy. Did you see him trying to dance? Oh, man. Dude was dancing like he had 5 left feet. Can't dance a lick. I told you, fam, everything he got is all about money. He has no personality, no charisma. He has no intelligence. He's ugly. He doesn't have an honest bone in his body. He's stupid. Lying thief. Now he's begging. Boy, it was so good. It was all good a week ago. He was so proud and tough and confident. Yeah. Back in 2016, he won the suburban vote, the suburban women vote, by 4 points. Right now, he's trailing Joe Biden by 23 percentage votes with suburban women. Dude is desperate. It's good to see at least where it appears to be that perhaps some of those women are waking up and they are realizing that you cannot lie in bed with a man that has been accused of multiple sexual assaults. You cannot vote for somebody like that. What is the incentive for that person to change his behavior if he can tell you straight up, I grab him by the Yeah, I just walk right up to him and kiss him right there on the lips. I just can't wait to do it. And they let me do it because, you know, when you're a celebrity, they let you do it. How do you let somebody like that gain access to the Oval Office? Well, I'm sure some of them in the past have. Yeah, you know what? It's been a lot of them in the past that have been accused of sexual assault. So, yeah, to be clear, I'm talking about sitting presidents. There have been sitting presidents in the past that have been accused of sexual assault. And I, knowing what I know about a lot of these type of dudes, I would choose the side of the accuser because I am a red-blooded American and I believe in the people. Donald Trump, begging. He may as well get on his knees. Get on his knees like a $2 hooker. I wouldn't be surprised if he did. No more talk.
What the haters talking about?